What's up, everyone? Lamar, this is Chucks and Booze. So it's quite early in the morning right now, so there is no booze, but my cousin left. Let me turn this down a bit. My cousin left some Crown Royale in the freezer the other day, so I may partake in some of that a little bit later on. But brown liquor's been giving me some weird dreams lately. Like I've been wrestling with rabbits and chasing snakes. Like it's weird as hell. So whatever. They're still fun dreams. But anyhow, today. Been working on this project at the crib. I got some walls torn down. But that's not for this video. We'll talk about that later. Today, I am going to put crown molding around the floor bases. Is it really crown molding? No, because what I did with the Home Depot, I bought mini slabs of wood. I think it's 1 inch by 4. It was the cheaper route to go. I think they're like $3.50 a piece. And plus, I do not have the miter saw, the angle saw to cut the angles to get for the corners and have everything butt up nicely. I do not own one of those. I thought about buying one. I could get one for $100, but that would not be the Chucks and Booze way. We try to find the most affordable way, or I try and find the most affordable way to get the best look to complete projects. So instead of cutting angles, I'm just gonna butt them up, square them off. I think that's gonna look really good. In my mind, it looks dope. Once I lay it down in the dining room here, get a good look, see if it works. If it doesn't work, then I'll go the other route of getting that saw. But I think this is gonna work. So let me go ahead and get set up, get the tape measure, start measuring stuff out, and get this Chucks and Booze project going. I'll let you in a second. Alright, so the plan is to measure, cut, prime, paint, lay that shit on the wall. So I measured it, it's 140 inches. So I'll get that first piece of wood cut up, and then we'll go from there. Follow me out yonder. Alright, so for the most part, this is how this is gonna look. I still gotta prime it and paint it. I think it's gonna look pretty dope. Check it out. What's up, Chucks and Booze? I'm back. So the boards are primed, they're painted, and I'm about to start laying them in place. They look off the chain. Of course, I had to go ahead and pour me a little something. I'm sipping on my cousin's Crown Royale, mixed with a little bit of root beer. Hopefully get this stuff started correctly. All right, so let me go ahead and start nailing this into place, and y'all see what it looks like in a second. be done. I'm the type of cat that doesn't like rewards until I finish the job. So we're cruising along. I went around the whole downstairs. So I got the dining room, the living rooms right here, the hallway, a little bit of the kitchen. I went through and I measured everything, I cut everything, I primed everything. Now it's just time to really nail this stuff into place. I do have one mistake that I made over here. I cut a board too short because as I was hammering it in the wall, it sunk in a little bit further than I thought it would sink in. So I do have to recut that, but you know what they say, measure twice, cut once, or buy extra wood so you can fix that shit. All right, let's get it. Alright, so I finished laying down all of the boards around my whole downstairs. It actually didn't take that long. I fixed the mistake that I made. We are on the right track. I'm heating up my taco. The brother is starving. But I do have to run to the store because as I was laying these patterns, not really patterns, as I was laying it down, I do have some gaps. Let me see if I can show you here. That hopefully there's like some type of wood filler or something that I can put on there and smooth it out and repaint it. So check this out. This is what I'm talking about here. See that little line right there? You know, I want that to be invisible. And I have that all around my downstairs. Yo, so I'm gonna go ahead and call that a wrap on this project of laying down some floor molding. Now the traditional molding, I went the cheapo route and bought some long boards at Home Depot. They were like $3.50 a piece. I think it worked out great. I even did up and around my patio window there. I still got to do, put another final coat of paint on there. I went on ahead and put down that plastic wood, sand that down just a bit, but I don't think it's gonna need very much sanding. And then I'll go ahead and put on the final coat. I was able to do my whole downstairs area and the upstairs bathroom that I recently remodeled. I still got some nicks that I need to, and the drywall that I need to fix. That's another day, another project. But I even added a little surprise down here. I put a little green inlay into the floor drywall. Floorboard. Craziness. But anyhow, that is a wrap on this project. Lamar, Chucks, and Booze. Until next time.